Hello students, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to session 1 of our course. Yeah, in session 1 we will be discussing about the history of language teaching. This is very important for us to know that how language teaching emerged in the history, and so we can take some takeaways from the history of language teaching itself. But please don't forget to record or click your attendance by clicking on the attendance list or presence. And please watch the initial materials, learn and study it carefully, and please be engaged. Engage yourself in the discussion section. Okay, I hope that you enjoy learning these materials about the history of language teaching. Okay, thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.